Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making egg lollipop, guys. You need to add this to your menu, especially for that party that is coming, guys. Don't miss this. Let's just do something a little bit different, okay? So if you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex and you're welcome back to my kitchen. These are the ingredients needed. Number one is our egg, of course, because this is egg lollipop. We need our fresh eggs. We're not going to cook all at the end of the day. We're going to cook some and reserve some. You will see I'm going to use it in the recipe. Just stay tuned. Now the second one is our fresh potatoes. You're going to wash them, cut them and cook them as well. Now we need our suya pepper, guys. Yes, I don't know how you can source it in your area, but it's very vital in this recipe. I got mine from all these aboki that sell suya in my area. You need your spring onions, you need your skewers, guys. Yeah, you need your salt to taste, you need your pepper. So go ahead and use a fork to smash your cooked potatoes, guys. Smash it very well so that it will not have any single seed or lumps in it. Cut your spring onions into tiny bits. Transfer everything into your mixing bowls to start the real process, guys. So here is where you need your skills and your creativity will come out, because we are going to use this after mixing it with every other ingredient that we listed initially, mixing it very well to make sure that it's fully incorporated. We are going to use this to wrap up our eggs, guys. Just watch and see what I will do and how I'm going to do it. So guys, I would love to know where you're watching me from so that I can appreciate you very well in my next video. Just drop it on the comment section. Where are you watching me from? And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, please support us and subscribe, and always keep a date with us, guys. And also give this video a thumbs up so that we can bring more recipes your way. Thank you. It is time to wrap the eggs, guys. So first of all, grease your palms, as you can see, and start wrapping the eggs carefully. Make sure every part of the egg is wrapped. You're going to dip it inside the egg, then gently again you're going to run it over the breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs are covering every single part of the egg. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Repeat the process for the remaining eggs, guys. It is time to fry it, guys. So in a heated oil, you add your onions so that you can get the flavor. Okay, it's just a way of flavoring the oil, okay, and getting it ready for the real thing. After it has fried for a while, I don't usually allow it to fry so long so I don't get burnt. I will just bring it out and start putting in my wrapped eggs. Now this must be a deep frying, okay, deep frying in the sense that you need a whole lot of oil, enough to cover the whole body of the egg. And secondly, you need to fry on a medium heat, not too high, not too low. The reason is that almost everything here is cooked. Remember, our eggs is boiled, our potato is already cooked. It's just your onion and your egg which you just use to coat it, so you don't need much heat. Isn't it looking so beautiful, guys? Like, you needed to test it. It was so satisfying. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next one. Bye.